Everyone's talking about AI side hustles right now. Your feed is full of videos promising make $10,000 a month with ChatGPT or AI tools that print money. And sure, some of those videos are entertaining, but here's the truth: almost nobody says. Most people using AI aren't making any money at all. They try a tool, get excited, play around for a few hours, then quit. They're missing one simple secret. The people actually profiting from AI aren't tech geniuses. They're regular people who learned how to stack simple AI tools together, so those tools quietly work for them in the background. That's the secret behind the AI skill stack. And today I'm breaking down how it works, real examples of people doing it, and how you can build your first one by the end of this weekend. Let's start with a reality check. AI isn't magic. It's not a shortcut button that spits out money. It's a tool, and tools only work when you give them purpose. If you ask AI to make you rich, it won't. But if you ask it to help you build something simple, useful, and repeatable, that's when it becomes powerful. That's the foundation of the AI skill stack. It's a combination of 3 easy steps. One tool to create something valuable. One tool to package it in a way people want. And one tool to automate or share it so it can make money while you're doing something else. That's it. No paid ads. No marketing degree. No employees. Just using AI as leverage, connecting free tools that handle the boring stuff for you. Let's make it real with a story. Meet Sarah, a teacher from Michigan. She wanted to make a few $100s extra each month, but didn't want another job. She used ChatGPT to write creative worksheets and printable games for parents who homeschool. Then she dropped that text into Canva, added color and cute icons, and turned them into digital products. Next, she uploaded everything to Etsy and connected automate.io, which automatically delivers the files every time someone buys. That's her whole system. ChatGPT writes it. Canva makes it beautiful. Etsy sells it 24/7. It took her 1 weekend to set up. Now she spends maybe 2 hours a week updating listings and answering messages. Last month, she made $640. That's $640 for something she built once that now runs itself. Now let's talk about Marcus. He works in logistics. Not creative, not tech, just spreadsheets and emails. He started using ChatGPT to write professional response templates for common business emails like late delivery notifications and customer follow-ups. He turned those templates into neat, branded downloads using Canva, uploaded them to Gumroad, and sold them for $5 each. It's not glamorous, but it's smart. He spent maybe 5 hours total setting everything up. Now, he earns around $400 a month every month. And here's the key part. He doesn't work for that $400. The system does. That's what makes this different. Then there's Jenna, a stay-at-home mum who loves cooking. She asked ChatGPT to help her create meal prep guides and grocery planners. Then she formatted them in Canva, added a logo, and started selling them on Etsy and Gumroad. But here's where it gets interesting. She used another AI tool, Pictory, to make short videos showing easy recipes using her guides. Those clips went viral on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Now her guides get hundreds of views every week and sales on autopilot. Jenna didn't reinvent the wheel. She just connected tools together in a way that works. That's the power of stacking small AI skills. Here's the mindset shift you need to understand. AI doesn't replace you. It amplifies you. It's like having a creative assistant, a designer, and a marketing team all working for free. The people who fail are the ones looking for a single tool to do everything. The people who win use multiple tools that work together. One tool for content, one for design, one for automation. That's the difference between trying AI and actually profiting from it. So let's talk about how you can start your first AI skill stack this weekend. Step 1. Pick your topic. Start with what you already know. What's something people ask you for advice about? Fitness, budgeting, parenting, DIY, car repair, photography, anything. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to productize it. Here's the exact prompt. Turn my knowledge about your topic into 10 digital resources people would pay for. AI will instantly brainstorm ideas, guides, templates, challenges, or mini courses. Pick one. Don't overthink it. Step 3. Make it look great. Use Canva to turn that idea into a digital product. Add your title, logo, and color. Even basic templates look amazing with a few tweaks. Step 4. Publish it. Upload it to Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. These sites handle payment, delivery, and customer management automatically. Step 5. Automate exposure. Turn your content into short videos using CapCut or Pictory. Use an AI voice like Daniel, add B-roll, and post to YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Each video points back to your product link. That's your first AI skill stack. Simple, free, repeatable. Here's what happens when you do this consistently. One digital product might make you $50 a month. Another might make $100. Another could take off and make $500. Each one is a digital asset, something you built once that keeps earning forever. And when you stack 5 or 6 of those, that's real, reliable, passive income. No burnout, no long hours, just systems that grow while you focus on living. Now let's zoom out. We're living in a time where automation is replacing tasks, not people. The people who learn to build systems with AI will always have the upper hand because they understand leverage. If you can automate one small part of what you do every day and build on that, you create time freedom. And time freedom is the real flex. It's not about Lamborghinis or fake income screenshots. It's about waking up and realizing your systems worked while you slept. That's the dream, to make money by being smart, not by working yourself into the ground. So here's my challenge. Don't scroll to the next video. Don't let this just be motivation. Pick one idea today, even something small. Build one mini stack and see what happens. Because here's the truth. Every person watching this has skills, knowledge, or hobbies that could be turned into income with AI. You just need to give those skills structure. That's what the AI skill stack does. It's not luck, it's leverage. And the earlier you start, the further ahead you'll be when everyone else finally catches on. If this video sparked an idea, hit subscribe. Until then, stay curious, stay lazy, and keep working less. Workless wonders. Work smarter, earn faster.